Hello students, hope you all are good. So in previous class we have learned about the coal. What is coal, how coal is formed and what are the different products of coal. So today we are going to learn about the petroleum. Okay, what do you mean by petroleum? Petroleum is basically a liquid fuel. Okay, this is also known as crude oil. Crude oil देखा होगा आप लोगों ने क्रूड ऑयल कैसा होता है इट इज थिक viscous and black color liquid with the unpleasant smell. Okay, why it is known as petroleum oil? Petroleum, the word petra means rock and the word oleum means oil. Therefore, it is known as petroleum because it is obtained from the rocks, or we can say it is obtained from the layers of the earth. And it is also known as black gold because it is as precious as gold. So this petroleum is a mixture of compounds like carbon, hydrogen and hydrocarbons. So petroleum is a natural exhaustible resource which is insoluble in water. As it is insoluble in water and less dense than water, therefore it floats on water. Next, how petroleum is formed. As coal. Coal is a dead or decaying part of plants. Similarly, petroleum. Petroleum is also decaying remains of animals and plants. It takes several of years to form. So these dead remains get decomposed and form petroleum. But petroleum deposits are not found everywhere. These are found only in certain areas. Okay, like it is found in the Middle East countries like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, and other Gulf countries. Okay, and like India has some oil fields like Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Godavari, and Krishna river basins. These are the oil and gas fields in India. So to extract this petroleum, we have to drill holes in the earth layers with the use of drilling machine, and this drilling machine is known as drilling rigs. Drilling rigs is a huge structure with a heavy rotating shaft with sharp bits at the end of the shaft. So these bits help in the cutting of rock material. Refining of petroleum means is filtering of petroleum. filtering Filtering के अंदर petroleum is basically a mixture of different compounds, like it is a mixture of kerosene, gasoline, diesel, lubricating oils and all other substances. So when we refine all these substances from the petroleum, this is known as the fractional distillation of petroleum. And this is the method which is used to refining of petroleum, that is known as fractional distillation. In fractional distillation, we have to pass steam 200 300 degrees Celsius to vaporized crude and separate out different products at different temperatures. Let's see what are the fractions of petroleum obtained on fraction distillations. Like first one is gasoline. Gasoline is particularly a mixture of highly volatile gases. Highly volatile gases means, volatile word means which gets evaporate easily. So this is known as volatile. Like propane, butane, these are the gasolines. Petroleum gas is the liquefied under high pressure, and this petroleum gas is known as LPG. You have already heard about the word LPG. LPG is the gas which is used in our kitchens. Next one is naphthalene. Naphthalene is basically a polymer of butane. So you have seen naphthalene at your homes. These are the white crystalline solids and vaporized at room temperature. These naphthalene balls are used to keep woolens and cupboards free of moths. Next one is light oil. Light oil is highly inflammable oil and a good solvent for fat. Next one is kerosene. Kerosene is used as a fuel in stoves. Next is diesel oil, which is used to run heavy trucks. Even this diesel oil is used in cars also. Heavy oil, it is also known as lubricating oil. This lubricating oil is used to lubricate the substances, especially the engines, motors, and the machines. Next is paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is converted into the Vaseline. Alright, it is used as an ointment in medicines. Next, bitumen. Bitumen is a part of crude oil which is not evaporated by the steam, but a black solid residue which is left. This is known as bitumen. So, so these are the products of petroleum: gasoline, petroleum gas, naphthalene, light oil, kerosene, diesel oil, heavy oil, paraffin wax, and the bitumen. Next is natural gas. Natural gas is a gaseous fuel which is obtained under the deep earth. Okay, these are formed due to the anaerobic decompositions. So these natural gases are found in Mumbai High, Gujarat, Assam, Tripura, Godavari, Krishna basin. Alright, so this is known as compressed natural gas when it is stored under the high pressure as LPG is stored. But this CNG is a non-polluting fuel. It is eco-friendly fuel. So what are the different uses of natural gas? It is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used to generate electricity and used as a non-polluting fuel. Alright, you have seen CNGs, autos, car, buses. Okay, and what are the advantages of using natural gas over the other fuels? As this gas is a non-polluting gas, therefore it is highly. Next is smoke or any other poisonous gas is not emit out. during the burning of these natural gases. So it is highly used in trucks, or trucks तो नहीं, car. So it is highly used in cars, autos, buses. Okay. Next, these petrochemicals we are going to learn in other class. And about, thank you.